Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that combines passion, health, and business. How to start a weight loss blog and make money from it in 2025. If you've ever thought about sharing your fitness journey, healthy recipes, or motivational tips while also building an income stream, this guide is for you. So let's get started. Step 1. Choose your niche and define your brand. The weight loss space is huge, but success comes when you narrow your focus. Do you want to blog about weight loss for women, men, or specific age groups? Maybe share recipes, meal plans, or home workouts? Some bloggers focus on mindset and motivation, while others cover weight loss for medical conditions like PCOS or diabetes. Once you've chosen a focus, create a brand identity. Will your blog feel motivational, funny, or scientific? Your brand's voice will attract the right audience. Step 2. Set up your blog. Next, let's set up your home base, your blog. Start with a catchy domain name that reflects your niche. Choose a reliable hosting provider like Bluehost, SiteGround, or HostGator. Build your site with WordPress, the most flexible and popular option. Design matters too. Keep it clean, user-friendly, and mobile-ready since most people will visit on their phones. And don't forget SEO. Install plugins like Yoast SEO to optimize your site for search engines from day one. Step 3. Create high-quality content. Content is the heart of your weight loss blog. Write posts that educate, motivate, and inspire. Some ideas: weight loss tips and myths, healthy recipes and meal plans, home workout guides, transformation stories, and here's a 2025 must-have: video content. Tutorials, workout challenges, or recipe demos work great on YouTube or directly on your blog. Whatever you choose, stay consistent. Whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, a steady posting schedule builds trust. Step 4. Build your audience. You've got content. Now you need readers. Promote your posts on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook. Share short workout tips, before and after journeys, or motivational quotes. Build an email list by offering a freebie like a meal plan or mini weight loss guide. Collaborate with other bloggers and influencers through guest posts or partnerships. And remember, engagement matters. Reply to comments, ask questions, and make your readers feel like part of a community. Step 5. Monetize your blog. This is where your passion becomes profit. There are many ways to make money: affiliate marketing, recommend products like supplements, fitness gear, or books, and earn a commission. Sponsored posts. Brands may pay you to feature their services. Your own products. Sell ebooks, workout programs, or even coaching services. Ads. Display ads with Google AdSense or premium networks like Mediavine. Online courses. Create workshops on topics like healthy cooking or fat-burning workouts. You don't need to start with all of them. Pick one or two and expand as your audience grows. Step 6. Optimize and grow. Once your blog is running, track your growth. Use Google Analytics to see which posts bring traffic, which keywords work, and what people love most. Experiment. Test different headlines, email opt-ins, or call to action buttons, and keep learning. The fitness and blogging world evolves fast, so stay up to date with trends. Step 7. Stay compliant and professional. Since weight loss touches health, always be responsible. Add disclaimers. Your blog should never replace professional medical advice. Disclose affiliate links and sponsored posts. It builds trust and keeps you compliant with FTC guidelines. Step 8. Scale your blog. As your blog grows, you can outsource tasks like content writing or social media to focus on strategy. You might expand into related niches like wellness or mental health. And the best part? Over time, your blog can generate passive income through evergreen content, digital products, and automation. So that's how you start a weight loss blog and turn it into an income stream in 2025. It all comes down to 3 things. Choose a niche you love, stay consistent with valuable content, and monetize smartly. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your weight loss blog ideas. I'd love to hear them. See you in the next video.